Been hanging out with this wedding party and I wasn't invited to the wedding. And now we're gonna buy clothes for this wedding and crash it.
Don't give this guy the f***ing mic!
Gwan Squad, it's your boy James. This weekend, I'm staying at Couples Tower Isle in Ochi by myself as a single. What? Follows me as we like creep people out and wear them out. I'm just like, hey, swinging. So forward, let's have a fucking good time. Squad's day one at a all-inclusive couples resort as a single. My girlfriend are there, we're coming on a girlfriend blood clot. We're gonna make some videos, see how it go on. I'm there with the man them. Yeah. So we're gonna go link some friends down. Oh yeah, we're all down here for a wedding, which I'm not invited to. Crashing a wedding, yeah. But we're gonna party with some of the people now and let's have a good time. Hold on guys, we're there with kids and all of the white people them. I was looking for a model, so would you be a model real quick?
My hair looks so crazy right now.
Really?
Hey.
Hi.
Kenda.
James.
I'm
the best man.
I know Alex. And I know she's, but I'm not the best anything.
Oh, I know, I'm actually not even invited to the wedding.
You fooled me.
Yeah.
First time in Jamaica?
First time in Jamaica.
What do you think so far?
I love it. I never want to leave.
So why are you leaving? Back to Minnesota?
Unfortunately.
To the snow?
To the snow. It's literally gonna snow probably right when we get back.
What's the best thing about being in Jamaica?
The people, the culture, just the land. Soaking it all in.
Can you give us a little taste of your patois?
Yeah,
No,
yes.
I don't know anything. I love cats. I don't know anything.
Do a little bit like Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Do a bomba clot.
We talked about that.
Yeah.
Bomba clat. That's
Yeah, alright.
That's it.
disgust, right? That's when you're like, yeah. Bomba clat. Okay, give me a better one. What's something different?
Tan panelang.
Tan panalan.
Tan like TN.
Tan.
Like
It's like stand.
stand up.
There's a
Tan
drop
pon it.
Tan pon.
Tan pon. P-O-N. Like
Tan pole.
tan pon e long.
Tan po
pon
ilong.
Yeah.
Tan po ilong. Got it.
Thank you.
Am I saying something bad? Wait, okay, what does it mean?
It means like when you have sexual stamina.
Oh.
Yeah. You say you can tan pan it lang.
Yeah. Are you coming to get in the vlog too?
Yeah, absolutely. She's the actual linguist.
Are you?
Sí, yo puedo hablar español,
How's your patois though?
me cuesta un poquito de Rusio,
Wow, that's crazy. I can't even speak English properly.
in Mandarin, ni hao, wo jiao shi ai mong, wo de peng yo shi yi wei shi hao de.
What the f?
Say, when I deal with them sitting there.
We're not dealing with them sitting there.
Perfect. That means we don't deal with those sort
We
of
don't
things.
deal with those sort of things.
Yeah, that's not bad for your first time. Yo, can we show that tattoo?
Yes.
Guys,
That's sick.
she's so dedicated to Rude Halloween, October 28th, Police Officers Club, that she'd put a f***ing tattoo instead of getting a costume.
I go to the convention
really get
every
tattoos
year.
or something?
Yes, thank you. I designed this one.
Really?
And I have this one.
That one's bad. I like that one.
Thank you. I just got it.
He did this one on me.
I love that.
When we were
Best work.
yeah,
Love it.
we were drunk and he did this one.
Fuck yeah.
Which one did you did those two on yourself?
Oh, nice.
Stick and pokes, you know.
So, you want to give me a stick and poke?
I don't have any of my equipment.
Oh.
And I'm also not very good at it.
We're gonna say Gwan Squad.
And then you do a backflip.
Alright.
Get closer though, get
Who's leading the
closer.
charge?
Gwan Squad.
With that backflip though.
Come for a nice dip in the ocean with my boy Drew. Go for a swim, guys. Hold on though. They're like the most talented couple. We're at just on wedding site, working our way into the wedding slowly but surely. If someone drops out, we're gonna snag that space, get that free food, that free liquor, and hopefully there's some single ladies there, you know? That's what we're here for this weekend. Yeah. Gwan Squad. You guys have seen us around. Been hanging out with this wedding party and I wasn't invited to the wedding. And now we're gonna buy clothes for this wedding and crash it. We're down here working with kids, side quest, check them out here. Somehow, we've worked our way into this wedding. Everyone thinks I'm the best man, so I know I have to buy clothes. We're going to the couple's gift shop. Let's hope I can put together a nice outfit and give a great best man speech. Hi guys, so we're here in the store. I mean, maybe I need them in the shirt, to be honest.
Yeah, look at this.
This will be...
This is side quest.
Yeah, this will be like a Sherpa. Should I do it?
You can't wear that, bro, but you look like a medieval peasant.
I am a peasant. Guys, I just found shoes. Yo, we're doing the full thing, guys. We're doing the full thing. So now, I guess, look at one of these pants. Alright guys, I'm gonna go get some clothes and try them on. Let's see. Alright, this is too big.
I need a pair of those. What brand?
I don't know them. Yeah,
That fits, bro.
I don't know if this is my style.
Yeah, that's sick. I really fits good.
Bro. Oh, I can't wear this. Can't wear white to the wedding. Kids, I can't wear white to the wedding.
Why?
It was a bride.
Okay, well you can wear my pants then.
Yeah.
Black pants.
Alright guys, we just found our outfit for the wedding, so let's go get ready. Guys, full wedding fit bought. We just finished shopping in the Couples Tower Aisle gift store, you know, reasonably priced, and I think I have my outfit for the wedding, so let's go get ready and see how it turns out. This is an adventure. This week has been an adventure. Alright, let's go.
Don't give this guy the f***ing mic.
Alright guys, so my name is Josh. Also, some of you guys might know me as Tessellated. I'm an artist, but tonight I'm Tristan's groomsman, right? So, you know, I couldn't come here without, you know, dropping a little thing for the newlyweds. And Tristan told me secretly that this is one of the bride's favorite songs, you know. This is called Me and My Lady, and I thought it was a fitting occasion to sing it for them. So, Circle 11, who also produced the song, is on the decks. And yeah, we're active. So let's get it. This one's called Me and My Lady. I need everyone to come up close and let's dance. This is a dancing vibe. It's not no slow song, you know? Hey, hey. Yeah, yeah. Alright. Alex, let me say. Hold on, this the one fit on it over. Swing on the wine, she moving at the sosa. First safe to please the man. Don't rate with me, no watch face. Just me, my name, with me, and my name. Hey, boy, guys, the streets is one lately. Alex, I need to hear you sing. Watch it. Hey, me as. Hey, you want to go right on the thing, I'm going to play that. Tell everyone, come to sing, I'm going to play that. I'm the running up.
Gwan Squad, thanks for watching the video. Very happy to have you guys here. Before you go, please just remember to like and subscribe. It'll mean the world to us. Thank you. See you soon.